Hi everybody. Today I know we're already today is October 4th. So I know I'm a little late in doing this, but I am in my home journal. This is my Plum paper journal. This is what I use for the household. And I decided that I wanted to decorate these pages. Normally, since I've had it, I have not done it. See, here's September and here's August. I tried to do a couple of things here, but I think what has intimidated me from doing this, or not so much intimidated me, but stopped me from doing it, is these big circles and the goals. And I know we don't need stickers to put in here, but I like to decorate my planners, and that's kind of stopped me from doing it from the previous months. I'm going to attempt to decorate these pages with this book. It's the Watercolor Goals. And I found, let me see, there was some circles in here. And my inspiration was this, this washi. I think I got it from the craft store or the Dollar Tree. So anyway, it has blues and greens and purples and like a hot pink. I thought I'd break away a little bit from all of the fall spreads that I've been doing. So let me go ahead first. Actually, no, wait. Let me show you. I was thinking I could either put these or these circles, and we have them in like a paper so I could write on them. And they might overlap each other, but it doesn't matter. I'm just really interested in trying it out and seeing how this goes. So I love this book. I don't use it much because I've been hoarding it, but I need to start using all of my books before the stickers get too old. Anyway, so let's go ahead. First, I want to go ahead and put my washi down. So let's do that first. And this is birthdays and events. I have other plans for it. So we're just going to go ahead and cover this. Because I put the birthdays and events on my, on what's it called? My monthly. Well, let me straighten that out. Okay, that's really pretty. And then things to remember again. I put those. Oh. This washi's nice and easy to lift. Oh. Hold on a minute. Okay, let me close it. All right, let's start from the beginning. Right here. Is that good? Yeah. All right. And see, it already matches. So I don't even need to cover up those goals, but I'm going to try it anyway. And down here, there's two places where you could list other things. I'm just going to make it look like it's one big area. All right. That's cute, right? That's very cute. Okay, so I'm done. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Let me go ahead and pull those round stickers. And here we go. Okay, so we've got the purple, pink, and blue, and green. So let me go ahead and do this green on that one. Oh, it does cover it up and it's not too bad. Let me do the pink in the center. Now they might overlap on this, but that's okay. There we go. And then the purple. And right here, you could write your goals. You could write, you know, just a thought a day or just anything. For me, what I'll probably do with this is write 3 things that I'm grateful for. So that's what I'll be doing, using that for. And then over here with these, what I'm going to do is, for this one, wait, let me see. I'm going to put, where's my tweezers? These tweezers I got a long time ago. And actually, these are tweezers. They're by Lacrosse. So it's like at the drugstore. I think I got them from CVS for not too much money. These are actually tweezers to get splinters out, but I use them for my planning. Okay, so for this column, I'm going to give myself a couple of to-dos for the month. I find that when I make long lists, they intimidate me for a day. So if I can make a list for the entire month, the reason why I got this, let me just backtrack. The reason why I got this is because I set it up so every day I have 3 priorities, 3 2-minute tasks, and then whatever I want to write in here. And I always plan my dinners out, okay? Here's my focus, inspiration, notes, and habit tracker. I'm horrible. I don't know about you guys, but I am horrible about keeping track of anything, any habits, okay? And that is just one thing that I'm really, really going to try to work hard on. Now, these priorities and 2-minute tasks, I just fill them in on that day. And if I don't do it, I just carry it over to the next day because I'm not going to stress out over it. There's enough stressors in our lives that we don't need to do that to ourselves. I'm pretty organized, and whatever I have in mind, I get to. But, you know, something like priorities, I would put make a phone call to the doctor's office. That would be a priority for me. 2-minute task, wipe down the counters. You know, that's stuff that I can do quickly. But, you know, I have them here, but it's not, if I don't do it on Monday and I get to it on Thursday, so be it. So for this area, I would like to do it for the monthly. Okay, so there's to do. Here I want to put, don't forget. I know we have a couple of appointments, so to see them right there would be good. All right. And then these stickers are from Sarah Marie. All right. And then this section, oh, I guess, well, kind of don't forget is the same as this section, but, These are things maybe I can do as far as like the cars go. And then this is, let me see what, aren't these cute? These are from Sammy Doodle Designs. They're so cute. What color do I want? Green? I think maybe I'll do green. This reminders, this could be reminders of birthdays because there are a lot of birthdays. I have a lot of friends whose birthdays and a few family members that are in October. So this will be enough space for that. And then for this section, this is also from Sammy Doodle Designs. From this section, I'm going to go ahead and this will be phone calls that I want to make this month. And when I say phone calls, it's to relatives, checking on my older relatives in California and my cousins and stuff. So And there are a lot. So anyway, that's how I'm setting this up. So this will be to do. Don't forget, this is for birthdays, and this will be for phone calls that I'm making. And then I was on Pinterest the other day, and on Pinterest, they had a listing of things to do in the fall to get your house ready. And I thought I would just divide. I'm not going to do it. Oh, maybe I can do it with this. Divide 3 sections. One will be things to get ready, get the house ready for the fall, you know, or for like winter. And they would be things like changing out filters, you know, maybe getting your heating checked, you know, this is a perfect time to have your air conditioning checked. If you're in an area where it's starting to get cooler, it's probably cheaper to have them check your air conditioning now as opposed to in the spring and summertime. So it would be stuff like that that you would want to do. Now, there's also for cars, you know, you want to winterize your car. You want to make sure that your car has enough windshield fluid in it. You have to make sure that you get your oil changed, check your tires, make sure that your car has, you know, those things for the battery to charge your battery just in case, God forbid. Also, you know, like a winter blanket in your car. You know, you should have a little cargo, I don't know what the word is, cargo, like a little tote. And make sure that you have like a first aid kit in there. Make sure you have a blanket in there. Make sure you have flares in there. You know, like and your, like I said, those, I can't think of the word, the battery things. Anyway, so you should do that. So one is going to be for the household, one is going to be for the garage, and one is going to be for the car. So I am going to separate it. I don't know how many lines there are. I'm just going to eyeball it. So I thought that was a smart thing to do. I was going to print off the, you know, make it a printable, or, you know, like see if I could get a printable, but the website didn't have it. And so, and I'll link that also down below so that you guys can see. It was more of a, like a blog. And then let me see right in here. So that's what we're going to do with this. Okay. And then I pulled these flags from the Erin Condren. And let me see. Oh, I've got the little ones. I was going to use the big ones, but I think the big ones are way too big. So what I'll do is this flag will be for the house. Oh, that's a little crooked. Okay, so that will be for the house. And I'll put on here house. Okay. And then the pink one I'll do for the garage. Okay. That'll say garage. And then this third one, I guess I'll use the yellow. This will be for the cars. Oh, that's crooked. Why can't I put that straight? That's crazy. Okay. And this is for the cars. Okay. So here is my layout, and what I'll do is the things that I want to do for the house, I will list them here, and I'll probably put like little dots down because I don't know exactly what it is that I want to do. And then same with the garage. We've cleaned up the garage a lot, but it still needs a little bit more. And this will also include, you know, collecting stuff from the garage to donate. And then the cars, I need to make sure that the tires are right on the cars, the oil changes have been done, any other maintenance that needs to be done. Knock on wood, I hope there's none. And also just making sure all the fluids and everything. So here is my layout. This is the stuff, household planner or my home journal from Plum Paper Co. And this is my layout. So I hope this gives you inspiration to get a few, to have this done, get a few of these things done. It's always better to be prepared. And financially, it's better on the pocket to be prepared rather than to have an emergency. So I encourage you to take the time to think about these things, and I hope this gave you some inspiration. I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Take care.